This one is in our living room.
It's a big room.
So yeah, we got bark, bobbers, weights, all that stuff.
Where we got?
It's upstairs.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's right. Yeah, it's in pieces.
Yeah, I mean, it's not like completely. This one is in our living room. This scared. What I'm making. that wasn't the flag. I don't know what that was. Like, what was that sound? I don't know what that was.
You know, draw a line down and across and then down. That's why you're supposed to do the other pages before this, because it teaches you what direction to trace it.
It's upstairs.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's right. Yeah, it's in pieces.
Yeah, I mean, it's not like completely taken
Right,
apart.
right.
I had tried to replace the hinges myself, so I'm like, okay, I'll go on. All right, thank you so much.
Nice to meet you, young man.
All right, thank you for driving all the way out here. You too. Thank you. Oh, easy peasy. So happy. My laptop is fixed. I'm so happy.
That's right, second game's coming up. They got a doubleheader. Yeah.
I can't.
Washington Avenue, which is, yeah, we were
Don't go under there.
a block east of the
Post office?
post office. Yeah, post office. God, it's hot in here.
It's not that hot.
It's pretty hot.
But I forgot that these fold down, so they can actually fit in the back seat really well. So basically, before we had Tobias, like I'd film here and there, but I really didn't make like a daily thing out of it. I would do it like once a week maybe. But now that I film every day, I'm excited to like do more stuff because I'm actually gonna film it then. But yeah, we've got a bunch of hooks. It doesn't look like anything's messy. I think you just recently cleaned this out like
Yeah, I did last year.
last year, yeah.
Yeah.
So we've got
when we went
nice pliers in
fishing.
here. We've got these scissors in here. So yeah, we got bark, bobbers, weights, all that stuff. So I mean, that's all we basically need. And there's, you know, some random lures or flies. I mean, and oh yeah, there's extra line in there.
Buddy, tomorrow you can